Mama, please, 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 don't even call me that. You've never called me that before.
I called you that because I need to define your position in my house.
Oh, Mama, after everything I did for you, how will you disappoint me?
How did I disappoint you?
How did you disappoint me? The 200,000 my brother gave to you, didn't I ask you to return it?
Yes, you did.
Did you return it?
No.
Oh. My brother paid for your hospital bill, established this business for you, and you lied to me that it was a family land? That you sold your family land?
Johnny, who told you all these things?
You thought I would never find out.
I never knew your brother have a different thing in mind before God and man. I was thinking his kind gesture towards us is because of you.
Oh, Mama, please, please, please. I have so much respect for you. Why you lying?
My in-law.
Don't call me that. I am not your in-law. I came to let you know that everything has been revealed. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Love more. Yeah, because I rap one more. Yeah, I rap one more. All in up in more. One day.
Brother Isaac.
What are you fighting for?
Brother Isaac. Brother Isaac, please, there is something I want to discuss with you.
Okay. Yes. Go ahead.
You see, I have friends in school. I have graduates, undergraduates, I have working class ladies. I have tall, fine girls that you can settle down with. Brother, please, I can help you, connect you to any of them to settle down with. You need someone you will settle down to have a peace of mind and not the other way around. Please, you're the eldest in this family. We are looking up to you. Let Jerry and Uju be. Please, you're an adult. You should know what is good and what is not good. Please, let's stop all this. I am begging you, please. Please. After all, they were in love before you came into the picture. Allow them. Let peace reign.
My darling sister.
Yes, brother.
You know that I love you.
I know.
I love everyone in this family, including Jerry, who's fighting me right now. However, I have a question for you. And your response will determine my final decision on this matter.
Who is?
Are you in love?
Yes. I'm in love with someone who wants to marry me.
Do you love him?
Yes, I do. I do.
Call off that relationship right now. And Jerry would have my support. This minute.
On the magic yeah. On the maybe we found it wouldn't John on the maybe we found and go but to be one name got trouble done away.
I called for this meeting because our people say that is the stubborn fly that follows the corpse to the grave. The man who does not know where the rain starts beating him will not know where to.
Uncle, please, we've been hearing this since we're little.
Jerry, stop interrupting me.
You don't have respect for me. And if I don't? Okay, Ara, you think I don't know where you're driving at?
Jeremiah, what is great?
That's the question. You're the only problem I have in this life. Look at me. My life is perfect, but you are the only problem I have in this life.
Jeremiah, stop pointing.
I don't know.
Pointed me.
You cannot do that.
I
am going to run inside your life, and I swear to our ancestors, I will destroy you from the inside and break you out. Let us. Look at the costume, huh?
What is the matter?
Mama, please. You already, I know you've chosen your special. Oh, the other game. They gave him 2 seats. They gave him 1. You've always proven that he is special. Oh yeah. No problem. They are Ezekosele. I'll point at you. What will you do?
Jerry.
I'm pointing at you with both hands. Jerry. What will you do? What will you do?
You are making noise. I will beat you up like a little boy. I do not need my guards to take care of you.
Ezekosele, you laugh. I will run inside of you. I will enter inside your way you get me. Oh yeah, this is your swag. Yeah, I'm working the like this. I would enter inside of your lesson because I swear to you, I will destroy you from the inside and break you out. I'm looking at you. Please. Looking at you. Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going?
Please. Just go. I'll call you later.
What do you think? Everything. Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going? Ritual person.
Jerry, do you want to kill me before my...
Mama, you've taken the... We're still talking. You're still chingumming him. Etiko side, the other, and you. Ritual question. Where do you think you're going? You're going nowhere. You think it's a time for time from Kingdom West swag. You would stay here and face me man to man. Onyala.
Jeremiah. Ofeke. Amaroga Amalia for sale. You don't know what's coming to you. Give me Dikeh.
You will do no such thing.
We'll see.
You would? Where do you think you're going?
Jerry.
You will not do anything. You will not do anything. Hey, mama. Stay out of. Stay out of this. You've always supported him. Ritual questioning. Do your worst.
Eze, please, look at your mother. Do you people want to kill me before my time? Eh? Be cool.
Whoever! Record! Ritual questioning. This is not a time for It is not time for swag. It is not time for Nijego. Confront me like a man. Ritual questioning. Ponako. Me. Ritualist. Conniving spirit with a ritualist. Conniving uncle with a ritualist. When she ritual questioning. Ritual questioning.
I'm sorry for all this.
Jerry, that I saw when they gave birth to him.
On the magic yeah. On the maybe we
Papa, please. You have to remove yourself from that case. Please.
My daughter, that will almost be impossible. How can I fold my hands and watch my brother's children fight over a woman? No.
But Brother Jerry does not want to make peace.
He doesn't. Yes, he doesn't want to make peace. Jerry doesn't want peace at all. He is ready to go any length. And he's ready to do and undo. Papa, that is why I am begging you to please not to get involved.
But Brother Eze is his elder brother, so he's supposed to get married before him.
But that is not the problem. Jerry said that the woman Eze wants to marry is his wife.
How can that be possible?
Because he wants to marry her in future.
If the girl really loves him, he should not be fighting now.
That was exactly what I told him. Why all this fight?
A woman knows where her heart belongs. So, he should not be fighting.
My daughters, sometimes when money is involved, she does not really think of where her heart belongs.
Papa, if he's the one the girl really loves, she will follow him. No matter the amount of money the brother is giving her.
Papa, this fight is becoming something else. And we still need you. Please, if they come again, just tell them to go and sort out their problems themselves.
They're no longer kids.
Papa, sister is right though. We are not ready to lose you. Just listen to her, please.
Papa, please. We are begging you, please.
One day, I'm gonna kill you now, yeah. On your book one knee, baby. On your major now, one day, yeah. Can't be renewed, I got come out. On your journey, baby, you couldn't know. On your major now, one day, yeah. Can't run out, let you get come out. Blood is thicker than water. Blood is thicker than water. Oh, it's thicker than water. Blood is thicker than water.
Where is this?
He has gone back. How did it go?
That man didn't say anything reasonable.
Was he siding with Eze?
I don't care who he sides. What I know is that Eze will never marry Ujunwa, not while I'm alive.
Where is Mama now?
Who are you asking?
What kind of problem is this? What's the meaning of all this? Hey,
Jerry.
No, you don't peace in this house.
Jerry now. How will I handle this issue? That two brothers that matters to me are in love with my daughter.
Come on. You already know the answer.
I am confused. I am totally confused. I don't know what to do.
Okwandi Igbo say, onye ji igu ka ewu na-eso. Ezekwesili is the rightful person to marry your daughter.
Jerry has been good to us right from the onset.
And so, has Ezekwesili not been good to you? Tell me, is he not the one that saved your life? Eh?
Jerry did his best.
But his best was not enough. Yes. It was not why Ezekwesili came in. His best was not enough.
Aye. What will people say?
Enokwan.
What will be their judgment? Will I ever forgive myself?
Hi, Rose. I don't know that you are still thinking like Ekeyik and the shepherd people. Why would you think like that? Of course, I can see that poverty has taken over your senses. Yes.
Augustina, let me ask you this. If you are in my shoes, will you do exactly what you are asking me to do?
Of course, yes. Enokwan. I will do and do it again. Now let me tell you one thing you don't know. Bagam, I will do it and do more. I can't even hesitate not to do it. Yes. Onwanya afofo dem ma. Ogenede, ndị Igbo si na ijigi afofo anya isi. Inu be eba na ekwu ya. Rose, mepe anya gi. An English adage said a word is enough for the wise. Nekwa ya ka ngwa gi. Ada agwakwa gi di nwa ya. Pụọ n'anwụ. Ekwuchakwa m efugo ngo ha m. Ha.
Hey. Chineke.
Blood is thicker than water. Let love lead the way, yeah. Let love lead the way. Every day,
I'm coming.
Every day we're fighting. We're fighting for no reason. Why does it seem so hard?
Mama, good evening. Ujunwa, ma, what do you want?
I came to see Jerry.
You came to see who?
Jerry.
You say you came to see who?
Jerry.
Now listen to me, Ujunwa. Ujunwa, this is going to be the last time you will come into this compound. Have you not done enough? Have you not caused us enough trouble in this house? No, shut up. Shut up because you have nothing reasonable to say. Mama, look at this girl.
Uju, did your mother tell you that I came to your house?
Yes, she told me that you came, so I decided to come.
Shut up. Now I am warning you for the last time. I don't want to set my eyes on you in this compound again, or anywhere around my sons. If I dare see you around them again, you regret knowing me in this community.
Mama, I've not done anything.
Out. Get out and get and leave. Will you get out of this compound?
Go! Bachombo, you want to kill my brothers, Abi? Idiot. Look at this girl, oh. If I see you in this house again, what I will do to you, eh? And I will go do one. I can't go be and keep your quack and get pop. Who that for this girl? If I see you here again, what I will do to you, eh? Let me see you here again. I no fear.
Love ma onye nke mewa onye nke mo. Don't break my heart, oh. Don't break my heart, oh. I didn't know be more. Love more. Don't break my heart, yeah. Don't let me down, oh. Please don't.
Why are you crying along the road?
Ujuma, what happened to you?
I went to see Jerry, and the mother asked me to leave and never to return.
You went there?
Yes, I went to see him.
And what of Ezekwe? Is he not around?
I don't have any business with that one. I went to see my man, but the mother asked me to leave.
Juma, it's okay. Stop crying, okay? Juma, it's okay.
But I haven't done anything wrong.
I understand. Stop crying. Please. Juma, let us take you home. Please, stop crying.
This is not fair now.
I know, I understand.
I haven't done anything.
Love me, oh. Love me, oh. Love me, oh. Love me, oh. Love me, oh.
My son, Biko, this issue is going to another dimension. And right now it's tearing your family apart. Your mother came here. She said all sorts of words. And she told me to tell Ujunwa, my daughter, to stay away from you people.
Wait a minute. My mother said that?
Yes. She swore with her life and threatened me. My son, please. I want you to stay away from her like I said. Biko.
Mama, is that why you're squeezing your face like that, eh? Don't worry, nothing will happen. You should know, no member of my family can make me stay away from Ujunwa. I love her.
Jerry, Ujunwa is all that I have in this whole world. And apart from your mother threatening her, she is broken emotionally. I don't want anything to happen to my daughter like I said. Please, for now, I want you to give her space. Please.
Like I said, Mama, nothing will happen to her. You can trust me. I'm capable. Huh?
Jerry, I want you to do as I said.
Mama.
Ujunwa is still here for you. She's still here for you. But for now, I want you to go home and settle this matter with your brother. Please, I beg you in the name of God.
One day, I would kill you now. Onye bukwani beye, onye mejana wende ya, kaibiri nudo, oga kama, onye chani beyo kuno wano.
Who asked you? Leave me alone now. Who asked you? Are you mad? Did I warn you? Did I warn you? Did I warn you? Who got out? Who got out to get? Who got out to get? Who got out to get? Who got out to get?
Jerry, you did that to get to leave me alone, leave me alone. What is wrong with you now? You don't have strength.
So, mother, you went to Junwa's mother's shop. What were you doing at Junwa's mother's shop?
I went there to warn her. And I meant every bit of my words. If I dare see her around any of you again, she will have me to contend with.
Mama, I have so much respect for you. Don't make me lose it. Don't make me lose it. Stay away from Uju and her mother.
Jerry, are you warning me?
I'm warning you.
Okay, you want to beat me? Go ahead and beat me. Try it. Don't dare me, Jerry. Don't dare me.
Mama, stay away from them. Stay away from them. Don't say anyone. Stay away from them. And you.
And you too. And you too. And you too. If it's Ujunwa, you don't have strength.
Mama, stay away from them. Stay away from Ujunwa, Mama. Don't say anyone.
Jerry!
Stay away from them. There'll be no peace in this house. There'll be no peace in this house. There'll be no peace in this house. You're still talking.
Wait, get inside now. If it's Ujunwa, he will not have strength. Mama, you need to see what this boy did to me because of that stupid girl.
Sorry, my daughter. It's all right.
I don't know.
Let us go inside.
That girl, you see that girl that they are calling me? No problem.
People should not misunderstand me. What I'm saying in essence is that Ezekwesi is not to be blamed. I mean, Ujunwa should have told him at first.
One Neka. Ujunwa never knew he's not aware. She actually thought he has been doing all those things for them because of Jerry.
Yes. Let me tell you people something. Whatever problem that is happening now, Ujunwa and her mother are the cause of it.
How?
Okay. The first 200,000 naira that Ezekwesi gave Ujunwa for her mother's hospital bill, Jerry specifically told them to return it back to Ezekwesi, but they refused and start hiding whatever Ezekwesi has been doing for them from Jerry because they knew that he was not in support of it.
Chizoba, I totally disagree with you. They never knew until now he made his intention known.
As in, I am a law student and I am too intelligent for someone to use my brain. Yes. See, let me tell you. Try and make inquiry of what I just said. You will find out the fact.
Chizoba, now I understand what you're saying. Because they know that Ezekwesi and Jerry are not in good times.
Over to you, Ezinne. Are you aware that they are not in good times?
Yes, I'm aware.
Okay. Let me use you and I as an example. You are my elder sister. And both of us are not in good terms. And you have a boyfriend who knows that both of us are not in good terms. And at your back, I'll be going to your boyfriend asking him for money. My dear, tell me, how would you feel? Bam! If you find out.
You have said it all, Chizoba.
Okay.
You have said it all. Because they knew that Ezekwesi wasn't doing all those things for them because of Jerry.
One Neka. Put yourself in Ujunwa's shoe. Would you have allowed your mother to die because the one person that can help you is not in good terms with his brother? Answer me.
Never. I would have done the same thing.
Thank you. Then please stop crucifying her.
Okay? Neka, you are misunderstanding us. See, I want you to understand where I'm coming from. But my anger is that she is denying that she doesn't know what Ezekwesi has in mind for her. Anybody in her condition would do what she did, yes. But she should stop denying the fact that she doesn't know what Ezekwesi has in mind for her. That is my problem. Yes, she's denying it and she knows.
Chizoba. This girl you're talking about is emotionally wrecked. And she needs our help.
I don't understand in what aspect?
Every aspect. She just needs somebody to be there for her, a companion.
My own is that make she not commit suicide.
Well, the only advice I have for her is that she should try and put herself together. Because even the last time they came for a meeting here, Jerry was so furious. Yes, he did not even allow anybody to speak. At a point, I wanted to have a big problem with him.
Well, Jerry is right in whatever he does.
What did you mean by that?
Because he has suffered for Ujunwa and her mother. He actually sold his car and everything he had in his shop just for that woman.
Are you serious?
It's true. This is true.
The whole matter is just complicated.
Oh.
So what do I offer you girls?
I have Gary, I have...
Blood is thicker than water. Blood is thicker than water. Oh, it's thicker than water. Blood is thicker than water.
What is it? Why are you carrying your bag?
Go get yours. We have to leave now.
What do you mean we have to leave now? Why?
Obi, we don't have time to talk. We have to leave this village now. We honestly have to. What are you thinking?
My shop. What is going to become of my shop if I leave?
Your shop? Is your shop more important than the love we share? No, I don't understand it. I am talking about how we're going to leave this village from these whole problems. We need to be happy together. And you're telling me about your shop? Anybody can take care of your shop and you know that. Don't you have a sister?
There has to be another way.
What is the way?
Stay and fight.
Fight what? How can you be able to fight? Tell me. Everyone is against us. You know that.
Are you against me? No. As long as you're with me, I will fight and win. I don't care if the community is against me. I don't care if the entire world is against me. As long as you're with me, I'll fight and win. Am I supposed to run away from my father's land because of Ezekwesili? No. Ezekwesili will be the one to run away from me. My love, there has to be another way.
Make me pregnant.
Hi, Amadi. Jerry no young woke because I want to know.
Mama Ujua, you don't have to bother yourself about Kolanat. My son here, Jerry, says he likes your daughter. So we have come to seek for her hand in marriage.
Mama, just like my uncle said, I came to officially let you know that I am ready to marry your daughter.
I heard him. You are not welcome to my house to knock or ask for my daughter's hand in marriage until you do what I asked you to do.
What are you saying?
Will you shut up?
Will you shut up? Mama, you cannot say this. This is Jerry we are talking about.
I know.
Mom.
You mean we should leave?
Yes, take your leave.
Bobby.
Mama, what? Mama, don't do this. This Jerry. Will you shut up? Shut up.
Nah, Amadi. Dikeh, you know nothing, please. You can take your leave. Just go.
Mama. Mama, what are you saying?
Will you shut up? Shut up and get inside. Now.
I'm not going anywhere. No, you don't put your anywhere.
Now get inside.
Mama.
I said get inside.
Mama, please calm down.
Hey, will you stop? Stop it.
Mama, no, he's not going anywhere.
Ojoma.
Oh, he's not going anywhere.
Ojoma, get inside. Now.
Mama, I don't like what you're doing now. Mama, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. No, don't tell me that. What are you saying?
Ojoma, get inside.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. This is not fair. It's not fair, Mama.
Will you stop? Stop.
No, please don't do this to me. No, please.
Ngwanu, let's go.
It's not fair. About this.
I know. Until he does what I asked him to do. And that's it.
Mama.
Just get inside. Mama, people I can't. Nayamadi, your drinks. Take them along, please.
Hi. You have killed me. Oh my dear. You're chasing me away.
Fine, let's go.
Don't tell me to get inside. Don't tell me to get inside.
I will
Mama, this is not fair.
I said stop it.
Oh, let me to get inside. Let me to get inside.
And I'll be more.
Mama, just come and kill me. Come and kill me now. Come and kill me.
Don't
Come and kill me. Come and kill me. What is it now? What did I
Don't
do
let
to you?
me down, Please don't let me down, I have invested my life, my love, and my...
She said you know what she is talking about. What exactly could that be?
She said that I reconcile with my brother. But you and I know that is not possible. She said that?
From the look in her eyes, it is obvious she doesn't need you anymore.
Nayamadi, you see, if you ask me, what the woman said was right. He needs to settle with the brother for peace to reign. One day, in the circumstance, settle with your brother for peace to reign. Please, be cool.
On the magic yeah. On the maybe we fair no.
Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. What is this? What is wrong with you? Stop. Let me be. What is this? Ujunwa, leaving this house isn't the best solution.
Ezinne, don't hold her. Allow her. Leave her to go.
Ujunwa, just leave me alone. Let go of me. Ujunwa, please, I won't.
Step an inch and prepare for my burial.
Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Tell me, did you hear that? Do you want to lose your mother? Why is she always blackmailing me? Why? Why is she blackmailing me always? Can't I be allowed to marry the man I love? Can't I? Joa, please, just stop it, okay? Stop it. Leave me alone. Leave me. Leave me.
Break my heart, I didn't know be more. Love more.
Give me my bed.
Don't break my
Don't I have choice? Don't I have a choice? Do I understand you? I do. But I don't want you to leave this house, please. Don't tell me that. I'm getting frustrated. I'm getting frustrated. I understand how you feel. It's okay. Stop you crying, don't understand how I feel. You don't. I do. Then go and talk to my mother. Let her allow me to do what I want. Let her allow me to do what I want. It's okay. It's okay. I don't like seeing you like this. It's alright. Please stop crying, please.
love me. Love more. Don't let me down. Yeah, I want to love you more.
Jerry, please, can I talk to you?
What is it you want to talk about?
Jerry, I am your only sister. And I'm supposed to be pampered and treated well, like an only sister you have. I know other families and how they treat their sisters. And treating me well is not just giving me money. Is by listening to me, showing me some love by, you know, understanding me.
Charity, what do you want?
All I want is for you to go for that meeting the meeting might turn out in your favor. You can never tell.
I heard you. So, can I be left alone now?
Sure. Do you want anything?
Love more, yeah, because I rap wanna more, yeah, I rap wanna more, all the nothing more, all the new jama.
Reach one person, you're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere until this matter is resolved.
Stay out of my way.
Ritual question.
Stay out.
I would not stay out of your way. Ritualist. But stay right here. Wait a minute. What's wrong with that? Shut me. Shut. Shut. When you have the gun, you...
What happened? The Jerry was dragging gun with one of SS thugs. God. And suddenly the gun discharged and shot one of SS drivers. Eh? Shot? Wait. Mama, I hope he did not die. They rushed him to hospital. But according to Chizoba, she said she doubts if the man was surviving.
Hey! Chibo! Oh, come CJ. Mama, what sort of temptation is this now? Eh? Mama, hey! Hey!
Ah, Miss Desert. Doctor, you're here. What's the situation?
We tried to stable him. That is unfortunate. We lost him. Excuse me.
Hello, DP. This is Etiko. I'm not sure how I'm doing right now. I have a murder case to report to you. Yes, I can identify the suspect. Right now.
Juma. Please stop crying now, please.
Juma, do you want to kill yourself? It's okay. Huh?
It's okay, please stop crying. Okay, fine, let's go to the station.
Go to station and do what?
Mama, to see Jerry. To know what happened and at least to know the way forward.
She will not.
Mama, I will. Mama, I will. I will.
I said no.
Mama Biko, let me ask you, what is your reason?
Yes. What if she goes there and she's arrested too? You know how police people behave?
That is exactly what I want. I want to be arrested.
Did you hear?
I want it. Mama. Let them arrest me.
Mama, she will not be arrested. As long as she knows nothing about what happened.
One nigga. the end of this discussion, please.
Have you seen it? Have you seen it? I will go. I will go. I will go.
Papa, this matter is going to another dimension. And please, I would like you to stay away from me henceforth.
It is not possible as you think. I'm the eldest in the family. I just can't turn away my face from them.
Papa, you can turn away your face if you want to. Yes. What if you are the one that thing happened to? Or Joy? Or even me? Would you still say you cannot turn away your face from them?
It is not our portion.
Yes, I know it is not our portion. We are not praying for it to be our portion. Papa,
Sister, as a lawyer, do you think he's going to be killed?
No, he is not going to be killed. But if found guilty, he is going to spend years behind bars.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sure. Can you just imagine a man who is trying to carry his family along ended up?
All because of a woman.
Because of a woman. Papa, please, Biko, stay away from me though, Papa.
Papa, you've not seen your grandchildren, no? You've not seen my own children, eh?
We are not ready to lose you.
I am not ready to lose you. Please, I'm begging you, stay away, stay clear from that matter. Please.
Lord is thicker than water.
My friend.
Escalating has succeeded, right? No problem.
Jerry, Escalating has not succeeded in anything. Believe me. Calm down. In no distant time, you leave this place, okay?
Jerry, just be strong. Please, be strong.
Where is Uju? Why should know what happened? Where is Uju?
Yeah, Yes, she wanted to come with us, but the mother refused her from coming. Human beings for you.
Jerry, how are you feeling?
How am I supposed to feel? I'm asking you, how am I supposed to feel in a police cell? If you see what those boys did to me, look at my back. Look at my face.
It's okay. Like I told you, I said in no distant time, okay? You leave this place.
Yes.
Best, please. I need you to do your best for me. Please. I need to leave here. Before you know now, they'll start talking about court. I don't want...
Jerry, you will not go to court. Yeah. God forbid. You won't go to court.
You won't go to any court, okay? You will leave here very soon.
Yes.
Please. We'll make an effort.
One more thing. Or should I say the most important thing? No one should go to Escalating to plead on my behalf. No one.
Jerry, why?
Why?
Jerry, what you want is leave this place, okay? Forget whichever way, you just need to leave here.
Best. Do not go to Escalating.
We'll see what we have.
Lord is thicker than water.
Put it in there.
Best.
You
are welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
I know you must have heard that your friend was arrested.
Yes, I'm just coming back from the police station.
Oh, you went there?
Sure.
And you saw him?
No, I was refused seeing him. The police insisted Escalating has to endorse it before anybody sees him.
Why? Are you sure he's still alive?
Sure, of course. He's
No,
still
in
alive.
that case, I will go to the police station. Let me see him with my eyes. Let me be sure that my son is still alive. Chacha, lock this door. Let us go to the station. We're going. We progress. Let's go.
Let love lead the way. Every day we're fighting. We're fighting for no reason. Why does it seem so hard to find peace and unity?
What are we going to do now?
Look for a lawyer like the divisional police officer suggested.
You call Ezekwesili, get a lawyer and tell him to release him.
So, where is he now?
I don't get to know his whereabouts.
Ezekwesili went to Abia State to notify the deceased family. Even when I called him, he did not want to answer me.
So, what are we going to do now?
I think get a lawyer like the DPO said.
Okay, what about it?
Jerry, look at you. Jerry.
Mama, this is not the time to express emotion. Get me out of here. I don't know what I did to that ritualist son of yours. That he gave inmates money to be beating me. Get me out of here. Bail me.
Don't worry. We'll get a lawyer to come and bail you. Oh?
So Brother Ezekwesili can go to this extent. Oh, this is not good.
Did I... Lawyer?
Yes, bro. The divisional police officer suggested you get a lawyer to come and secure your bail. I don't know what Ezekwesili did here. He said we won't bail you. I won't do that.
Yes, Jerry. For the offense you committed, you need a lawyer.
Mama? What about going to lawyer?
That is what the DPO said. Don't worry. We'll get a lawyer. We'll come and bail you.
So I'm going back in there.
Jerry, don't worry. We are doing everything possible to get you a lawyer, okay? You'll be out of this place in no time. Take
me back. Take me back inside, no problem. No, Mama, so you just came here to look at me, not even to bail me. That's not lawyer.
We'll come and bail you.
You will come.
We wanted to, but they said we should get a lawyer for you.
Help me.
No,
Help me. I don't know what. Look at my son.
No. I feel same way, okay? We'll get a lawyer. We'll expedite action and we'll get him out of this place, eh? Let's calm down. Let's calm down.
Lord is bigger than water. We can pretend, but we are brothers. Brother. Let us embrace and forget the trouble.
I'm not eating. I don't want to eat. I don't want to eat. That is your business. If you like, eat. If you like, don't eat. All I know is that you will not go to the station. But, Mama, I don't know what is wrong with you. Why are you doing this? Allow me to take this food to him now. No way. Not my food. Why if I may ask? Ojoma, the earlier you stop thinking about Jerry, the better it shall be for both of us. Because from the look of things, I am no more comfortable with that relationship. Can you hear yourself speak? Yes, I am. Can you hear yourself? What do you mean? Ujuma, I am afraid. What happened to that young man might happen to any one of us. And I cannot afford to lose you. I can't.
I don't know if you still remember who we are talking about here. It is Jerry, Mama.
I know. The earlier, the better.
Hey. Listen, Mama. I honestly do not know where all these are coming out from. And I do not know what your plans are. But I want you to know this. It is either Jerry or no one else. No one else, Mama.
Ngwana ga-ama. M ga-ama ma ọ gị nwa ga-atụrụ m, ma m ga-atụrụ gị n'ụlọ a. Kalịnụ.
Love me, oh. Hey, love me, oh. Love me. Oh, love me, oh. Love me, oh.
Baby, please, I want you to help me go to the police station and give this to Jerry. Okay. Please, my mother doesn't want me to go. Oh, okay. Then tell him that I love him. I'll come see him later, okay?
Okay, I'll do that. Alright.
When you come back, call me. Okay, I'll come to the house. Okay.
Love me, oh. Hey, love me, oh. Love me. Oh, love me, oh. Love me, oh.
Leave me alone.
I will not leave you.
All right, what is it?
I will not leave you until you call the police and tell them to release my son.
That is not possible, Mama. It is not done that way. Your son, Jerry, will remain in the police custody until my driver, who he killed, is buried. That's how it started. Mama, not only that, Jerry would have to face the law. It's a murder case. Did you forget?
Then you will kill me. He's supposed to kill me. It's better you kill me.
Brother, did you say he will go to court?
I want to die for you.
Of course he would have to go to court. He has to face the law. It's a murder case.
Brother, please, whatever it is that your brother has done to you, please forgive him. Please forgive him. He's your blood brother. Biko, no, Biko.
Forgive him? How selfish. Forgive him? Like mother, like daughter. Look at both of you. None of you even bothered to ask me how my very difficult trip to Abia State went. You both of you need to see the kind of poverty of your brother Jerry has caused that family. They are suffering. They are suffering. That poor widow is suffering. Her children suffering. And you're talking about releasing him? Really? Really?
Eze, please. It's your stubbornness that caused all this. If you had stepped down for your brother to marry Ujungwa, all this will not be happening. Ezebiko, no, look at your mother. Hey!
Mama, you know you amaze me when you talk about this matter. Step down for who?
For your brother.
Step down for who?
Your brother, Jerry. Allow him to marry Ujungwa.
Chelugolu, my younger brother. Mama, have you forgotten that I am number one? Mama, I am number one. Isia follow where Kwabagodo. Mama, I'm your first seed. By right, I'm supposed to get married first before your wretched son. Mama, let's assume I decide to step aside and watch Jerry get married. The son is poor, he's broke, he cannot take care of a family. Let him focus on trying to make money. Mama, I have made money. Let poor people learn to respect men that have worked very hard to make money. What is going on here? What is this? Step down for who?
Brother, please God, please, and release him. He said he's suffering there. Your brother is suffering now.
Sufferings have only just begun. This is out of my hands. It's a murder case. He would have to face the law when the time comes. So when you feel me,
Brother, you can still do something.
Eze, don't do this. Eze, don't move this guy. Don't move this motor. Don't move this motor. Don't move this motor. You will give me here.
Mama? Peace be unto this house.
And be unto you too.
Hey, Mama.
Hey,
I have come to see you. Thank you, Mama. Mama, I'm fine.
Okay.
I'm very well. Right. Mama, why is Ujuma running?
And my baby, excuse me.
It is fine.
When you carry the house, you go to water, but you no need to drink water.
Ujuma, what is the meaning of that?
Meaning of what, Mama?
Meaning of what you just did.
What have I done? Mama, I simply do not want to see him. I don't want to.
Now stand up and follow me.
Mama, what exactly do you want? What is in your mind?
Come and greet your husband-to-be.
May the gods forbid. I forbid that word that just came out of your mouth, Mama. May the gods of this land pretend never to hear what you just uttered.
Don't keep me waiting.
Love me.
He worked with me for 5 years. His death was painful and untimely. But God knows better. I know that you have been crying. I know that it hurts. But I want you to know that you have gained a friend in me. I came here today with a small gift for you. I made out a check. For 30 million naira.